This is a short video on how to find the digital object identifier of an article published in a journal. A digital object identifier, or DOI, is a unique string of characters assigned to a digital or electronic work such as an article, book, conference paper, or other object. The inclusion of the DOI in a reference first became required in 2010, with the 6th edition of the Publication Manual of the American Psychological Association. Since publishers or content owners have to pay to register items, not all scholarly works have a DOI. To further complicate matters, the formatting requirements have changed over the past 10 years, and you may find that an article has multiple versions of what looks to be the DOI. This video will help you identify the correct one to use. APA 6th edition simply required the inclusion of the DOI within the reference. With the publication of the 7th edition of the manual, the preferred format is a hyperlink with https://doi.org/ preceding the number. For the purpose of this demonstration, let's assume that I want to read one of the articles referenced in another article. I know the title of the article, but the DOI was not included in the reference. So on the library homepage, I type the name of the article in the search box, being sure to use quotation marks around the title, since I only want results that include all of those words. The first result is the article that I want to read, so I click on the title to open the record. Since I want to know more about the article, I click on Details in the menu on the left side, or simply scroll down the page. Here is a description of the content of the article, and confirmation that the article has a DOI. It seems that this article fits with my topic, so I return to the top of the record to access the article. This article is available online, so I can just click on the link to the database. Here I see a hyperlink, but it is a link to this page, not the DOI link that I need. I can tell this because there are a lot more letters before the number than there should be, including UML, which stands for University of Manitoba Library. I still want to read the article, so I click on PDF. Now I see the article cover page, which includes a sample citation with the DOI, although this citation is not formatted in APA style. However, underneath is the hyperlink that I need. As I scroll down to read the article, I see another hyperlink which is slightly different from the one on the cover page. For a moment, I am uncertain about which one to use, but then I see that this article was published in 2014. The author would have followed 6th edition guidelines, and this was the preferred format at that time, so I can ignore this hyperlink and continue to read the article. When I return to the library record, I notice this citation link and decide to click on it. Like magic, a citation appears. Aha! This will save me a lot of time. But then I notice that it says APA 6th edition, not 7th. And there is a cautionary warning to check the citation for accuracy. Upon closer examination, I realize that the authors are not correctly identified. However, this can be easily fixed, and the rest of the citation is correctly formatted, including the DOI, so I can copy it to my clipboard for insertion into my reference list. Sometimes you might only be able to find the DOI or an incorrectly formatted hyperlink. In either case, reformat it so that it adheres to the current formatting guidelines. As I mentioned earlier, not all scholarly articles have been assigned a DOI. Here is the record for another article on my topic. There is no DOI listed under Details, nor is one included in the provided citation. Since this article is easily obtained through the library, nothing else needs to be added to the citation. Hopefully you have noticed that there are errors in this citation. The authors are again not correctly identified, and too many words in the title of the article are capitalized. Now you know where to find the DOI for an article and how to format it correctly according to the guidelines in the 7th edition of the Publication Manual of the American Psychological Association. Soon, you will also be a DOI master.